Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Spectrum Wi-Fi router has suddenly started flashing red and blue, it can leave you wondering why the connection stopped or why devices are no longer getting online. Sometimes the lights keep changing colors for several minutes, while other times the router seems stuck and never finishes connecting. A situation like this can happen because of temporary signal interruptions, setup changes, loose connections, or the router simply needing time to refresh communication with the network. Before assuming the internet service itself has completely stopped, there are a few quick things worth checking that often help the router reconnect normally again. Let's go through several simple steps that may help fix a Spectrum Wi Fi router flashing red and blue. Try these. Step 1. Check the cable connection on the Spectrum Wi Fi router and make sure everything is attached properly. Step 2. Give the Spectrum Wi Fi router a few minutes if it is still trying to complete the connection process. Step 3. Remove power from the Spectrum Wi-Fi router briefly before turning it back on. Step 4. Place the Spectrum Wi-Fi router in a more open location if signal strength seems inconsistent. Step 5. Reconnect your phone or computer to the Spectrum Wi-Fi router network after it powers back up. Step 6. Watch the light on the Spectrum Wi-Fi router and check if the flashing red and blue changes to a stable connection light.